Children, today we have come to a special place for the future. That is, we have come to the Suyog Navkar construction site. I'm wearing a mask. I'm going to sanitize my hand. Okay, nicely. And now, as I want to speak with the people, so I've just removed my mask. I've kept it down so that my voice goes to the people. And let's see how this construction site is working here. So this is the entrance, this is the lobby where we have come, and we are going to go inside and meet a person. Come, let's see. Okay, we are walking inside and we are going to meet a special person here who is going to tell us about the construction site. We are meeting the sir. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
नैनेश्वर पाटिल।
नैनेश्वर पाटिल। आप क्या करते हो इधर?
साइट सेफ्टी ऑफिसर।
He is the site safety officer, and you can see as he is wearing a helmet, all the workers at the construction site are wearing the helmet, and he is offering me also to wear the helmet. So even I am going to wear the helmet as we are going to see the construction site. Okay, children. So let's see here. There is a model which is there. Come. This is a beautiful model of the Suyog Navkar building, which is 22-floor building. A lovely model has been made, but how this building is going to be constructed, there's lots and lots of efforts of many people. Many workers are working here, many things are taking place here, and this, how it is going to go to the 23rd floor. We are going to see all the procedure, how it's going to take place, which vehicles are going to use, and let's go and see how the construction site is working. Okay children, let's go. Okay, this is a tower crane which is used to pick up the heavy material like your iron to up on the 22nd floor. Okay, now the person, the worker is just filling the cement inside the okay, he is filling inside, and this crane is then going to go up. So we are going to see how this crane is going to go up. Yeah. This is how the bucket is now going to go up on the 22nd floor. Now the crane is going to take it up. So we can see how it is going up. It can pick up at least 5 tons of weight. It's going up. Yes, now it's going up. The bucket is going up. This is a truck loader, okay, which is used to pick up the material. If you see, it has a pickup here, and here in this part, the material is picked and taken, and then it is picked up and then unloaded. So this is a truck loader. Okay, so we are going to see one more vehicle after the loader. We are going to see here, this is a digger. Can you see how big hole they have digged? This vehicle is used to dig hole as deeper the construction site needs. And then we have one more vehicle, which is a truck here. The truck is used to pick up all the stones and take it from one place to another. So big stones are just transferred back in the carrier and then transferred from one place to another. So we have seen 3 vehicles which are used for the construction site. Okay, the material used for the construction of the building is, we are going to use gravel, which is a very small stones. Then we are going to walk towards the next material, that is the crushed sand. It's just here. This is the crushed sand. This is the crushed sand, what is placed here. Now, both the material, the gravel, the cement is going to be mixed and put into a machine which is called silo machine. Okay. The first silo is GTBS. The silo machine is the GTBS. Okay. And the second one is cement silo. So there are 3 materials which are mixed in this: the gravel, the sand, the crushed sand, the cement, and it is mixed GTBS and mixed, and then from the pipe it is mixed in this machine, and then from the pipe it goes to another machine, and this machine, from this pipe again the material gets dumped into the hole which is just dug here. The material gets mixed, and then from the pipe it comes into this hole, and the material is then picked up by the machine and then put it on the 23rd floor or the 22nd floor where the construction is going on. Go. Okay, we can see these 2 pipes going up, and then the material comes here in this hole which is in the center. From the center, the material is going to fall into this machine which is called the Aquarius machine. Okay, from here the material comes into the pipe. There is a special pipe here. The material comes into the pipe, slowly it goes, and it goes to the material, to the slab where the work is going on. So this is how the material is sent up to make the slab. Okay children, we can see a safety net which is up, very up, okay, and it is used for the safety of the workers, and there is a big net, so if there is some incident taking place, this will help the workers' life to be saved. Okay, we can see something is coming from up. Children, look, this is the lift which helps the workers to go to the first slab, the second slab, the third slab, to the 21st slab. They can just go in this lift. See how it is coming down. It works on machine, and there are special buttons inside which you can just press to start and stop. This is how the people come out of the lift. And now you can see the other users also going. The users are into the lift and they are going to the up on the building floor. I don't know, but they're just going into the lift. So exciting. Sit. So now even I'm going into this lift. I'm very excited. I'm going to go up to meet all the workers who are working up in this lift. We are seeing this person who is a mason who was working from outside and plastering the building. So now he has come up and भैया आप लोग कैसे करते हैं, डर लगता है क्या बाहर से प्लास्टिक करने और सीमेंट लगाने में डर लगता है क्या आपको? No, he's not at all afraid. The mason is not at all afraid. And see the way he is wearing safety belt. अगर ये safety belt मेरा हाथ पकड़ के दिखाओ भैया. See, this is the safety belt and this is the safety. इसको क्या बोलते हैं भैया? This is the safety How this is how he is going down, and he's going to use that hook to go down and do the plastering work. Now he's going down. You can see him going down with the rope, with the help of rope. This is how he's going down. It's so dangerous and it's so risky, but he's not at all afraid. Okay, so we are just going to meet the workers who are working here. You can see the lady worker who is working here, and she is wearing a hand gloves and she is wearing a gumboot in her leg. She is taking lots of safety as she is working in the cement. आप कितने घंटे आप काम करते हो? जोशी बोलो। 10 साल हो गए। She is working 10 years. तो आपको कैसे लगता है? दिन भर काम करने अच्छा लगता है? कितने घंटे काम करते हो?
एक दिन में कितना
कितने घंटे काम करते हो? 8 घंटे काम करते। 8 hours या वर्किंग। आपको अच्छा लगता है काम करने? आपको ब्रेक मिलता है खाना खाने के लिए? Yes, we are getting work break also, and many workers are working on this site. Okay, children. सर थैंक यू, आपने हमको ये सब दिखाया कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट, एक एक चीज़ें दिखाई कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट में। आप बहुत थैंक यू आपका। और हम अभी लेते हैं आपसे विदा। थैंक यू सो मच।